Hey, friends, welcome back to English Makes No Sense, Workplace Edition. It's a 2-minute episode, and we're going to talk about saying one thing instead of the other. Instead of saying, I need help, which is a perfectly good thing to say, try this instead. Instead of saying, I need help, you could say, could you walk me through this? Could you walk me through this? Okay, Sarah, why does it work? That's a great question. This works. This question right here. Could you walk me through this? It works because it sounds more confident. It sounds more professional. And it sounds like you want to learn, not just be rescued. Got it? When should you use it? Great question. Oh, you're so good with these questions. You should use it in trainings, new tasks, software or processes. Yeah, that's when we use it. Repeat after me. We're going to do a little practice. Could you walk me through this? Could you walk me through this? Or could you walk me through the next steps? Could you walk me through the next steps? See how easy that is? It's the same request, better English, and that little change gives you a big confidence. Small changes equal big confidence. So go on, try it. Instead of saying, oh, I have no idea, or, oh, I need help, you could say, could you walk me through this? Could you walk me through this? All right, try and say it. Don't say, I need help. Say, could you walk me through this? Got it? You did great. See you next time. Peace, friends. Go on. You're going to do great. Try it. Can you walk me through this? I'll see you tomorrow. We'll talk about something else. If you have any troubles, leave me a question or comment. Peace.